Hello guys, today we are going to be testing out a game, and that is how to get this car, okay? You see, I have been unlocked. Probably one of you don't have this car because you guys are probably playing for it. We're on the update 2024 from 2020 to 2023. The 2024 they updated the car like this one and this one and this one and you see it doesn't matter which car you drive over there, but I'm gonna drive this car over there. And I don't know where it is, but I'm gonna go to the mountain path, and I need to drive somewhere, and you guys will see where we need to go. Okay, at the mountain path. So, just turn here. Let's go over here. Let me just turn on booster. So, where we need to go is we need to keep going straight. Just go to the mountain path, and then you need to keep going straight where I'm telling you to go to. It's alright. You see, it's kind of hard to drive this car when it's on boost mode. So then you need to go over here where I'm going right now to get this car that I just have. Alright. Sorry about that. That's still up a little. Alright. And keep going straight. Stop at this little thing, or you park outside, or wherever you park. It has to be here, alright, to get the car. I need to get out of the car, and then I'm just going to use fly. I'm not going to waste all my time going up there. You need to go up here to say, oh my god, now that makes me do it. You need to go up here, yeah, I think. Yeah. And you need to go in this bedroom. And here you'll see a present. It doesn't show up by me because I already unlocked the car. So, yeah. I hope it really helped, guys. If it didn't, yeah, then just let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.